Hello class. Today's lesson is on adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a part of speech that provides greater description to a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Today, we're going to go over 15 adverbs, along with pronunciations, definitions, and example sentences. Calmly. Calmly. In a peaceful, quiet way, and without worry or extreme emotion. She reacted surprisingly calmly to the news of his death. If the fire alarm goes off, leave the building quickly and calmly. Carefully. Carefully. With great attention. She carefully folded the letter and put it in her pocket. Drive carefully on those icy roads. Carelessly. Carelessly. Without taking or showing enough care and attention. He yelled at me for driving carelessly. I carelessly left the keys on the table. Cautiously. Cautiously. In a careful and well-considered way that avoids risk. He moved slowly and cautiously along the dark rocky path. He urged the company to proceed cautiously with changes. Certainly. Certainly. Undoubtedly, definitely, surely. The design certainly looks good on paper. It will certainly rain tomorrow. Cheerfully. Cheerfully. In a happy and positive way. The playroom is cheerfully bright and sunny. She walked down the road, whistling cheerfully. Clearly. Clearly. In a way that is easy to see, hear, read, or understand. When you fill in the form, please write clearly in black ink. I'm afraid I'm not expressing myself very clearly. Cleverly. Cleverly. In a clever or skillful way. I thought you handled the situation very cleverly. They were cleverly arranged. Closely. Closely. In a way that is directly connected or has a strong relationship. We are working closely with the police. We have remained closely in touch over the years. Coaxingly. Coaxingly. To persuade or try to persuade by pleading or flattery, cajole. She laid a hand on her husband's arm and looked up at him coaxingly. She patted the seat next to her coaxingly. Commonly. Commonly. Very often, frequently. Elbow injuries are commonly found among tennis players. This is the most commonly used form. Continually. Continually. In a way that happens repeatedly. They argue continually. We continually improve and develop the website. Coolly. Coolly. In an unfriendly way. She faced him coolly, trying to control her temper. She responded coolly to his suggestion of dinner and a movie. Correctly. Correctly. In a way that is true, factual, or appropriate, accurately. Have I pronounced your name correctly? We're making sure everything is done correctly.
Courageously. Courageously.
Without being deterred by danger or pain, bravely. They will have the right to ask for that support if they act courageously. We hope this issue will inspire you to act courageously against your own fears. I hope you enjoy the video and learn something from it. Please check out our other videos and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.